So someone is guilty and responsible for a faux pas in our Lexus LS430, which we're going to show you. He put a tear in the leather in the back seat.
Yes, the back seat was perfectly fine.
Boy.
Without any flaws until you jumped in the back.
Yes.
Look at that. Are you guilty?
Guilty.
Are you guilty?
Guilty.
Yeah?
Oh.
Look at he's nibbling because he's neurotic and he knows he's guilty. All right, let's show you what the issue is and how we're going to solve it.
Ah.
Open the door.
It's locked.
Still locked.
There we go.
All right. Let's show where it is. Can you find it?
Yes, I can. Da-da-da-dum. Tear in the leather right here in our beautiful back seat.
Anywhere else?
No.
Behind you?
Nope, nowhere else that I can see. The idea is we are going to have someone come today, this afternoon, and I don't know how he's gonna patch up the leather, but you did a good job finding someone to come out, and we're gonna just see what he can do for us to get that fixed.
For $100, let's see.
For $100.
We're back.
We're back.
All right, it's done, right? What's happened?
We had our leather tear fixed. Someone came to our house yesterday and repaired it, and I haven't looked at it yet, so I'm gonna see if I can notice it.
All right. Okay, first off, can you see it? Does it seem obvious? It was right in here. Seems pretty obvious to me. Where is it?
Okay, I see this right here.
Right
That
there?
must be where it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know what? It looks a lot better than it did, which was a gaping hole.
Right, it won't get any worse.
Yeah.
That's part of it.
Exactly.
Yeah. This could do some shining up, couldn't it?
Yeah, a little bit. But our back seat is in mint condition. The previous owner never had children back here. So this is the first owie, the first boo-boo our back seat has received. And it's because of the dog. And because we weren't careful, we let the dog come back here without a blankie down. And this is what happened. So, shame on us.
Shame on us and shame on our 4-year-old for the way she kicks the seats.
That's easy to wipe off.
Yeah, that one doesn't cost $100 to fix.
But you know, this will help. Like, it definitely will help with the whole becoming any worse. And lesson learned, if you're gonna have a pet in the car, make sure you put a towel or a blankie down.
All right, what should people do?
Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you so much.